Hey guys, Brian from Ball Guy Sci, and I'm quoting again one of my favorite guys today, Seth Godin, on this Monday Motivation. Let's hop into it. All right, it isn't his amazing hair. It's the reason that I like to quote Seth Godin. It's because of his insight on the world around us. Now, he's a marketing business guy, but these truths can be applied to a lot of different things. And he said this: don't try to be the next, try to be the other, the changer, and the new. And what he's getting at here is that don't copy somebody who's doing something that people like. Find a way to improve upon it, or to be radically different in a way that draws people's attention. Now, it's not just about you getting attention. It's about making products that make our lives better, services that add to our experience as human beings, and everything along those lines. And I'll give you one great example from business. Years ago, you used to rent VHS tapes, yes, those were movies, from a store, a video rental store. Well, Redbox put that in a kiosk on the corner near a store, but Netflix put it online. Each one of those, and we're not trying to copy each other, they were trying to make it better. They were trying to be the next best thing, not the same thing. They wanted to be other, they wanted to change, and they wanted to make it new. And you can do that with almost every experience. Use your creativity. Don't be a copy of something that already exists. Hope that was helpful. See you later.